Santa now?
What happened in that picture? Show me the picture. Show me the picture.
Acted.
Okay. So what are you crying in that picture?
No. I was yawning in that picture.
You're yawning?
Yeah, from Santa. If I was going, it's the picture.
You were tired?
Yeah.
You were tired and you were yawning? Like how?
Because I died or because I'm yawning from Santa.
Like how? Like this?
Yeah, that.
Show me.
Ooh.
Oh, like that?
Yeah, that. See?
See? Oh, yeah.
I was yawning.
Like that? Show me again. Because your eyes are closed?
Yeah, because my eyes are closed because I just was yawning.
You were yawning and you were tired?
I was talking to Santa and then Lily was eating cookies and milk.
You were eating cookies and milk and you were tired?
Yeah. That means I should see Santa from that milk tree.
Uh-huh.
You see?
Yeah.
I was
But
yawning.
are you sure you're not crying?
No.
You're not crying?
Oh, do you see my mouth?
I see your mouth, yeah.
That
It looks like you're
means he's
crying.
yawning. See? Ooh. That means I was doing that. Santa.
You... But I thought you were crying.
He was crying. Just now.
You're not crying?
So I was
Yawning?
Yeah, yawning with my
You were yawning because you were
Yeah,
tired.
like
Let me
that.
see that picture.
see.
Oh, you sure you're yawning because
Yeah.
you're tired?
I just
Like
did
how?
that from Santa.
Show me again.
I was
Show me again.
I got from Santa because I was going.
Because you were tired.
Yeah, because I was going right there.
And you were going to sleep.
No.
No?
I got still from Santa. I was crying and I was.
You were not crying?
No.
He was crying.
Oh, okay.
I was like Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Because I can start blasting. I
Oh,
got the new toy and the wheel,
yeah.
the racetrack.
Oh, okay.
He just got that today. That was like
That was a
10
big
years ago.
because I was learning.
I see. Okay, so can you please put your picture back? Thank you.
I didn't lie.
Thank you. Okay. Bye.
Bye.